Hello and welcome to another update video about RUNE. RUNE seems to be waking up today. It's one of the more interesting coins today, 4% up here as per TradingView, but actually more since the low. It has moved up, well 10%, no it's more actually. It moved up like 16 or 20% of those lows that were made in the 7th of August. 7th of August, yeah, this was the low point here in the support area. I haven't covered RUNE myself really here in public videos for the last couple of months really, because it didn't really show much movement and people aren't interested anymore in watching RUNE apparently. So I always have to cover the coins that people are most interested in. So let's see if people are getting interested now. But the thing is, I did cover it in member live streams. That's also why we had this support area on the screen. So this is typically the area where we can look if a chart is turning around, and it did react very nicely here to the golden ratio, the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, 90.9 cents. So let's talk about where are the targets and resistance. So in my opinion, unless you're a breakout trader, it is probably too late to trade the third wave here, because there are plenty of resistances along the way and they often break down. And it's not an altcoin market. Of course, this could become something, and we talk about what it would need to reach to show us a healthy third wave. Resistance is very clearly, first of all, the high of the B wave. That got attacked, that got broken. That is not as important as the high of wave 1, which is at $1.11. And this is exactly a breakout point. Yeah, we need to get above that level to unlock price, get to the next resistance area, which is here the previous wave 4 high at $1.19. So we've got 111 and we've got 119. So, and I would say only above that level it has a decent chance to get to the target of wave 3, which is 144 at least actually. Yeah, 140, roughly 140, but it should get to 144. That would be the minimum expectation. It then should get a healthy wave 4 and a wave 5, and we have the first 5-wave move of the larger degree. Many altcoins don't even get there at the moment, okay? So be aware of that. This could simply be, yeah, and that's why it's important not to get too excited. And that's why it's so important to watch resistance at 111. It is so important to be aware that this could simply be an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. And it's so important to watch these resistances and also Fibonacci resistance, because another way of looking at this is if this is a C wave up, then it could reach only the 1-to-1 ratio. I would pay attention to that level as well. They are all levels to watch when we get higher, okay? This is really just the very first attempt to move higher since it made a new low, yeah, basically a new bear market low. So this could simply be something corrective. So while I'm tracking here bullish movement, I use this only to track targets. This could simply break down, and it will break down easily, of course, if it breaks below the 7th of July, sorry, the 7th of August. No, it wasn't the 7th of August, it was the end of July low here. Yeah. If it breaks below that low, and we can actually already have a warning level on the chart. I mean, here the $1 level, you can clearly see that, how price broke above it, retested, and goes higher. So the $1 level is key. I'm sure this aligns with Fib levels as well. So the Fib level here around the $1, the $1 level that we really need to hold is here the golden ratio, 98 cents. But from a Fib level point of view, the 95.2 cent level is very, very important. It's a 78.6 Fib level. Now, to keep it simple, I would say this, you get a really, really strong warning that this is breaking down below $1. And then below 95.2, it's pretty much confirmed that it's going to break down and make a new low, and it was just an ABC structure. So that's how I see it. We can't really confidently talk about that this is, we can't really confidently talk about that this is a third wave rally, even though it turned around in the support area, but that's why it's so important to manage risk, move up the stop loss or so when you enter in these boxes. You can't really confidently talk about it until it breaks above the wave 1 high. And even then we need to pay attention. Can it actually get to 144? That would be the next milestone the bulls would then need to reach. Yeah, that's my update about RUNE. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.